Good morning children, back. So for 4 students, general knowledge we will be seeing, and in last class 32 lesson we have completed. In there I have told you to tick by yourself that given exercise. I hope you all have done in your textbook. And please complete the textbook, everything. I have sent you the half-yearly syllabus also in your particular group. See that and you have to make sure that you are completing all your textbook. And quiz they have given, that also you have to write in your copy. So now let us come to the lesson number 33. What is our lesson number 33? Be a smart child. What is that? Be a smart child. So do you want to be a smart or not? Yes, everybody wants to be a smart. And nowadays all the children are very smart. I don't think in studies, in other all activities you are smart. I hope you are smart in studies also. So if you are not smart in studies, make yourself to be smart in studies also, so that you can get a good marks and good name. So now let us go to the lesson and how can be a smart. So what is this one? Here nothing, dear children, you can do this thing by yourself. The teacher I will explain and you give what is right and what is wrong. What could you do in the following situations? Take the correct option in each situation to be a smart child. So first one. So how you will, two options they have given in your textbook, page number 46. So there in each situation they have given two choice for you. Which choice you will choose? As a smart child, what is your choice? That you have to think and answer. I am not going to tell you here answer. This is by you have to do. So I will explain what is each situation. According to that, you put the tick mark in your textbook. If your father brings a new cycle for you, so new cycle they bought, then what you will do? You could immediately ride it on it, or just you want to take out and fast you want to go for ride, or you could try to find out how it works. Only then you will ride. So first what? Immediately will take and ride, or first you will see how it is working, what is the condition of this cycle, everything you will find out, then only will go. Or what is your, in that particular situation, how you react, how you do, take the step. That you have to do by yourself. Next one, if a stranger asks your address on the telephone when you are alone at home. So when you are lonely, so when you are alone at home, nobody is with you. Then that time, knowing that if any stranger calls you and asks very nicely your address, then what you will do? What answer you will give them? You could inquire about him and give your address. You could put down the phone and immediately inform your parents. What you will do? You will inquire who are you, where are you, who is, how you are, why are you asking, like that you will inquire, or you will put the phone down and you will call your elders. Which one is a correct option? When you think both are okay, you might fail, but you have smart one, what you will take as a smart student. Third one. If one of your friends gets hurt while playing in a park, so your friends together you all are playing there, and one of your friend got hurt, he got or she got hurt, then what is your reaction? You could immediately inform an adult so that your friend might get proper medication, then otherwise any proper thing how to take care and they will see. Or you could run away from there and never inform anyone about it. What you will do? Your friend got hurt and he is struggling. What you will do? You will not mind and you will go from there and without minding, or you will call any adult and tell the situation. What is your? Same you have to do there. Next one. If you find smoke coming out of your neighbor's house, what you will do? You could immediately rush to your neighbor's house. You will run and see what is happening, or you could inform an adult and dial the emergency fire brigade immediate number for help. So what you will do? You will run and see what had happened inside in that fire. You will go, or you will call your adult and you will make sure that you are calling to the emergency fire station. What you will do? Next one. If you see a stranger trying to unlock a bike in the parking lot of your area. So any stranger is coming and trying to open the lock of the bike and taking, then what you will do when you see? You could be frightened to see the scene, or you could immediately inform an adult. What you will see? You will go and inform your parents or any elder people, or you will getting frightened, you will run away from them. What is your situation? The next, if you are swimming in a pool with your friends. So when you are went for the swimming with your friends, what is your position? You could swim in an area between for young swimmers only, or you could try to swim in an area dependent for the adult swimming. So where you will go and swim? For the small people, where the area is kept, there you will go, or for the adult, for the elder people, where it is kept, there you will go. How you will take care of yourself in that situation. So this is all about to be a smart. So this here what you have to do? You have to take an idea and you have to think strongly and you have to give. This is about one. The next lesson here, what is the next lesson they have given? Good readers. What is that one? Good readers. Good readers means the books what we read. Here are some famous children's books that you must have read. If you have not, then pick out one and read. So you have to identify their authors of these famous books. Who has written this book? You have to find out. And do you like to read first of all books? Yes or no? So if you are good at reading, then you can complete your textbook full by this time. You have to see what is there, where is there, how it is. Seeing that reading means not seeing the pictures. You have to see the matter what is there and how much it is useful for you. Try to learn. So this lesson, here what they tell about the reader, book name they have given, books are there. The book who has written you have to tell. Who has written the book you have to say to me. So the first one is Beautiful Garden. What is the first one? The Beautiful Garden. The Beautiful Garden, the book, this one was written by whom? Who has written this Beautiful Garden? So, Francisco. So, what is he? Francis Woodson Burnett. B-U-R-N-E-T. So, Francisco Woodson Burnett. So, he is the person who has written this book. The second one is The Cat in the Hat. The Cat in the Hat. This story was, this book was written by Dr. Cecil. Dr. Cecil has written this book. The next one is what? Charles and the Chocolate Factory. So, the Chocolate Factory, this book was written by Roald Dahl. So, he is the person who has written. The next, the fourth one, The Treasure Island. So, what is the story? A book named Treasure Treasure Island. This Treasure Island was written by Robert Lucy Stevenson. So Stevenson. Stevenson. So he is the person who has written. The next one, if you come, what is the Alice Adventure in Wonderland? What is the next one? Alice Adventures in a Wonderland. That book who has written? That book was written by? That book was written by whom? Fifth one, Lewis Carroll. So he is the written. The next is sixth one, Black Beauty. So the Black Beauty was written by whom? Annie Sewell. Anna Sewell has written Sewell. The next one, seventh one, The Wonderful Ziyad of Zoo. So this is written by L. Frank Baum. So L. Frank Baum, he has written. The next, The Adventure of Tom Sawyer. So The Adventure of Tom Sawyer, this is written by Mark Twain. The next one, Cherry Tree. The Cherry Tree was written by whom? Rishka. Ruskin Bond. So Bond is the person who has written. The next, 10th one, so this is written by, book is written by whom? Hind Blyton is the person who has written. The next, The Little Princess. The Little Princess book was written by Anton. So Anton de Saint Exupéry. So Exupéry. The last but not least, Catler's Web. So this story was written by E.B. White. E.B. White. So this is the readers and who has written the famous writers of this particular books. So these are the writers' names I have given, and here to explain you, nothing is there. Seeing this book you can understand. The only you have to find out the who has written, the authors of the book you have to write down. So see this one, and I have made some questions that I will be giving you in the PDF. So that also you have to write in your copy, and this in here in the textbook you have to write the answers. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.